Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing what we eat in a day kind of video. Yeah, as a Nigerian family, what we eat in a day. So yeah, this is morning time. We are all about to have our breakfast. So that is normal milk and that is soya milk. For our breakfast really is not really, we don't really do much. We just do cereal. Some morning that I want to do Irish breakfast like sausage rasher, like I do it like once a week, not every morning. And then some morning that I feel like I want to do Nigerian breakfast, then I do it. But apart from that, we just regularly drink our cereal, or some morning we might decide to fry eggs. So depending on what it is in the morning. So like today's morning is gonna be cereal anyway. For me, I personally like oat. I like oat with soya milk and no sugar. That is my morning breakfast, and it gives me so much energy and it keeps me full all day. For the kids cereal this morning, they're going to have Rice Krispies. What I do with the kids, because like if you leave them, they prefer to have chocolate breakfast most of the morning, but what I do is that I rotate the breakfast. So this morning will be Rice Krispies, the next morning might be Cocoa Pop, the other morning will be cornflakes, the other morning will be Weetabix. So I try to rotate it, because if you don't rotate it, they just want to have one thing every morning. So it's good to kind of rotate it and let them have different thing every morning. So this morning they're going to be having Rice Krispies. So I'm just going to get on it. I'm gonna pour milk in the bowls and start warming it up and giving them. So yeah. So guys, it is afternoon, and for today we are going to be eating rice and curry. So that is my rice. I'm adding water so I can start boiling the rice, and my beef is boiling here. I am going to use this beef for the curry. I'm not making the curry from scratch. I usually use this tin whenever I am trying to do a quick meal. This works so well. So I'm going to be using this sauce for my curry sauce, and I am going to be adding this vegetable in the rice, and I'm going to be using this mushroom, carrot and onions for the sauce. So I'm going to cut this now. At this point I'm going to add my tin sauce inside the beef. So I have mixed it up. I'm going to just allow the sauce to boil up, and once my rice has heat up for like 4 minutes, I'm going to rinse it out and put it back on the stove. So now when my sauce is getting ready, I'm going to add my my vegetable. The seasoning that I added on it was just Maggi, thyme, and Nigerian dry chili. That is it. Yeah, so I'm adding all my veg in it now because the sauce will be ready in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn, and then I'll just cover the sauce and let all the vegetable cook, and then the sauce will be ready. And when all the vegetable cook, I will taste for salt, and when the sauce is getting ready, I will taste for salt. So I'm gonna cover that and leave that for like 4 to 5 minutes. So that is my rice. I took out my rice before and then I washed it because I need to, like, whenever I'm cooking rice, I allow it to like boil for 4 minutes and then I take it out and rinse all the starch out and put it back. So that's what I did. So yeah, this rice is almost ready. So when it's getting ready, I will add this veg. I need to rinse it out first before I add it inside the rice. Yeah, this food will be ready in a jiffy. So guys, the food is ready. This is my own portion. The rice and the curry sauce is ready. These are my children's one. So it is time for us to go and eat our lunch. So guys, yeah, this is evening time and today in this house is finger food, oven food. It's not every day I allow them to eat oven food, but once a week they get oven food. So yeah, I'm gonna put the oven food in the oven for them. They have pita, chicken nugget, and garlic bread. I might put, I don't know, I might put chips. Yeah, I might also put chips for them in the oven. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. For me, I'm not going to be doing oven food, but yeah, the kids are going to be having oven food. So I might also put chips for them in the oven as well. So guys, this is the kids plate. Yeah, that's what they are having. That is their plate. Today is finger food day, so that is their plate. And this is what I'm having. I'm just having a little bit of oat fufu. So that is what I'm having. I don't want too much. I'm not that too hungry this evening, so I'm just having a little bit of that. And yeah, so it is our dinner time. We're all gonna go sit down and have our meal. So guys, this is evening time. We have all showered and this is just the time that we have our cup of tea and hot chocolate and cookie. I usually like to, for me personally, I don't like to have treats during the daytime. I just have my treat in the evening. So yes, I'm going to be having that biscuit and the kids are going to be having this biscuit and one of this biscuit as well. So that is our hot chocolate and tea. This is my tea bag. So we're going to make tea and hot chocolate, and yeah, that will be it. So guys, we are done for today. The hot chocolate and the tea that I made is the very last thing we like to eat before we go to bed. This is like, it's something to 9. So this is like, that is our last thing. And for me, I always look up to this evening biscuit, because that is the one time in a day that I get treat. I have this biscuit and I have one of the short bread. I don't really like eating treats. I just like to eat my food, and that is it. So this is the time of the day that I get treats. So I do look up to it. So this is our last meal of the day. This is it now. We're just gonna have this now, and yeah, just watch a few stuff and go to bed. Anyway guys, thank you so much. This is where today's video is going to end. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoy this what my family eats in a day kind of video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. See you.